Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the Create a Restore Point dialog. That gets you directly to System Protection. Select the system drive, usually C, and click Configure so you can change settings. Turn on System Protection, then set max usage to around 5 to 10% so restore points don't exhaust disk space. Once done, click Apply and OK. This prepares Windows to create restore points automatically and keeps enough room for normal operations. Next, create a restore point manually so you have a known good state immediately. In System Properties, click Create, type a clear name with the date and a brief reason, like before driver update, so you can identify it later. Make points before major changes, driver installs, registry edits, or large app updates. Once created, verify it's listed under Restore Points. If you plan regular maintenance, schedule manual points, or rely on Windows' automatic schedule for consistent backups. To finish, perform a restore when needed. Open System Properties, choose System Restore, pick the restore point, and follow Next then Finish. Windows will reboot and apply changes. If the restore fails, boot into Advanced Startup and retry System Restore, or use Safe Mode to avoid app conflicts. Make sure Drive has adequate free space, and if a third-party antivirus blocks operations, temporarily disable it. These steps resolve most common issues and get your system protection working reliably again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.